Never before in the history of the world has there been a better time to start your own business. In 2019, there will be close to 4 billion people using the internet to look for products and services. 4 billion people. Can you imagine the success of Walmart or Walgreens if they had had that kind of traffic when they started out? Big companies are just getting in on the online traffic now. But the most important thing about that is that you have the same opportunity to access those 4 billion people. You might be saying, yes, I have the same opportunity to access this traffic, but unlike Walmart or Walgreens, I don't have anything to sell. Well, let me tell you that you do. Stick with me for a few minutes and I'll explain. Let me ask you what your favorite hobby is. What do you do for fun and recreation? How many people do you know that knit or crochet? How many people play the guitar or another musical instrument? What about sports? Golf, hockey, basketball? Okay, let's keep it real simple and assume that you like knitting. Check out knitting videos on YouTube. Oh my God, 2.3 million, 3 million views. Here's a recent one, 14,000 views. Let's check out Arnie and Carlos knitting. Oh, 50,000 subscribers. 50,000 subscribers to a knitting channel? That blows me away. Now, if millions of viewers watch knitting videos, imagine how many people would watch your hobby. Now, not only do they need instruction on how to do it, but they need the equipment and the materials to participate. For knitting, it's needles, patterns, yarn. For basketball, it's balls, shoes, shorts, bags, etc., etc. Here's where the business comes in. Now, if someone can get 50,000 people to subscribe to watch them knit, you can most definitely get enough people to watch and learn about your hobby. Let's say your hobby is gardening, or bonsai trees specifically. To make money with this hobby, you would sell advanced training, cutters, wire, planters, books, and the bonsai trees themselves. This guy has 902,000 viewers, by the way. Do you think that he could get a couple hundred people to buy stuff from him? I think so. Back to the question that you don't have anything to sell. Think about your hobby. What have you purchased to partake? What do you need to purchase to get to the next level? These are the things that everyone needs to participate in your hobby, and you don't need to be a manufacturer or resell items. Every manufacturer and retail outlet will pay you to get people to purchase items from them. Let's say your hobby is basketball and you like Adidas marquee shoes. Go to adidas.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and look for the affiliate tab. This page explains their affiliate program and how it works, how you can make money. Each time your visitor click through your link to adidas.com and make a purchase, Adidas sends you a commission. It's almost as easy as that. I've purposefully put this video together using only free software downloaded to a cheap tablet to prove that anybody can do it. You don't need a warehouse or a manufacturing plant. Your office can be anywhere you have access to the internet. I work a lot from my favorite coffee shop or the pool bar at exotic locations around the world. I can show you how to do it. Simply click the link below and go to successesonline.com. I can teach you everything you need to start and maintain a successful online business. Let's all have fun and make money.